Hello, YouTubers. On occasion, when you're doing electrode construction, I work with supercaps, bench scale. You might have a section of graphite felt and you want to modify it. Now, of course, we all know that it is suitable, it's conductive enough to be used in many applications, electrochemically. And for example, I am spending time oxidizing graphite felt to create hydroxyl and carbonyl groups before then depositing other materials. And on a small scale with my undergraduate students, what I have found, and it works, you need graphite leads. And the felt that I use is about a millimeter in thickness, a little more, a little less. But I have it in a circuit here, a piece, incidentally, with a super cap. It's just in there as a source of resistance. But I just want to call your attention to graphite from a pencil. Now, there are really good videos on YouTube for years that you need some graphite as an electrode or a contact, that you can do that. Now what I do, I take the pencils and I sharpen them first. Burn off the wood, clean with steel wool thoroughly. And with that sharp point, you can insert it into the graphite felt. And now you're good to go. And that graphite then can be used in conditions, for example, with aqueous sulfuric acid in an electrolyte bath. And even if you break off a piece and insert it, sharpen the pencil again, even with the char on the front, sharpen it down, and you get a good penetrating point. And the simplest things sometimes turn out to be very handy. I checked the connectivity, and it is okay. So on some occasions, I insert this lead both ends. And as I said, I oxidize the graphite felt with sulfuric acid, aqueous sulfuric acid, and some manganese nitrate as a shuttle, redox shuttle. And I cannot be using nickel or other leads. I'll have problems. So on a small bench scale, hope this helps. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.